ABCD and BEFD are rhombuses as shown in figure 3 below. So we have two rhombuses. Let's recall the properties of angles in rhombus. The first one, opposite angles are equal, and the second property, the sum of angles in the staple is equal to 180 degrees. So let's first look at rhombus BEFD. We're given this angle 112 degrees, so the angle opposite to it is also equal to 112 degrees. Next, let's look at rhombus ABCD. The sum of this angle and this angle is equal to 180 degrees. Step 2, 180 degrees minus 80 degrees is equal to 100 degrees. So this angle is 100 degrees. The rhombus is dissected halfway through this line BD. If the whole thing is 100 degrees, then half of 100 degrees is equal to 50 degrees. So this angle is equal to 50 and this angle is equal to 50. Now we can finally find angle FDC. Since the whole thing is 112 degrees and this part is 50 degrees, we can just take away 50 degrees from the 112 degrees. So to find angle FDC, 112 degrees minus 50 degrees is equal to 62 degrees. So angle FDC is equal to 62 degrees.